I was going to ask if there was any major theme, any powerful idea which inspires all your work. Could you tell us what it was?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, it's April 20th.
Flowing is like a school, so I matriculate rhymes. I use a gift so divine to articulate signs. I keep a smile outside, but inside I'm dying. But you never hardly know, I barely let it show. I tried to tell my mom about the Elohim, but she think I'm crazy like my name is CeeLo Green. I straight devised a scheme to go and get more cream. I ain't taking no shit like a stopped up latrine. Let they who are without sin cast the first stone, but your ass better not live in a glass home. Only God truly knows what we dealing with. Bump this shit in your whip if you're feeling it. Let they who are without sin cast the first stone, but your ass better not live in a glass home. Only God truly knows what I'm dealing with. Bump this in your whip if you're truly feeling it. I'm the love child of Mary LaVaux and Marcus Garvey, trying to make an exodus like Bob Marley. They don't want us being their equal like Anunnaki. Y'all got that bad soft flow, y'all make them zombies. We civilize them, we be the black Illuminati. A New Orleanian living between Bainbridge and Chauncey. I'm Ptah Hotep mixed with Muhammad Ali, painting pictures on your mind's canvas like I'm Dali. I got the soul of an old man. I started off as a baby, now I'm taking giant steps like I'm Coltrane. Most of these MCs is scarecrows with no brains, no shame. This ain't the blues, this is indigo, and every word is a sperm that impregnates your cerebellum's embryo. My soul is analog, but the world is digital. I spit that alkaline lemon flavor mineral to infiltrate your nervous system like a chemical. This world is temporal. Don't believe what you see with your visual, believe what you perceive through the metaphysical. Cause the spiritual manipulate the physical. This is merely breast milk that I'm giving you. Food for thought, a whole buffet to ponder. I'm about to blow myself up like a suicide bomber. Most rappers just actors like Obama and Osama. I'm here to terminate them like the son of Sarah Connors. Y'all dance around the truth like some scary ballerinas. I blow it loud with my horn like my name is Lena. I stay with my horn like Pam stay with Gina, like Rick stay with Tina, like Simone stay with Nina. I saw George do them towers like a game of Jenga. I think they blew them levees up, then harped up Katrina. I know some people ended up in camps made by FEMA. Try to tell the people that they play you like your brain's a peanut, but I'm a genius. I'm coming out the crescent. I battle with depression, but every day's a blessing. But I'm a genius. I'm coming out the crescent, and every rhyme's a lesson, and every time progression. But I'm a genius. I'm coming out the crescent. I battle with depression, but every day's a blessing. But I'm a genius. I'm coming out the crescent, and every rhyme.
Most people never pick up the phone and call. Most people never ask, and that's what separates sometimes the people that do things from the people that just dream about them. You gotta act, and you've got to be willing to fail. You've got to be willing to crash and burn. If you're afraid of failing, you won't get very far.
He is a human being of flesh and blood. He comes as a teacher, as a manifestation of God. His teachings are called the Dhamma. He is called the Buddha, the intelligent one, the one who has achieved intelligence, or the genie, the conqueror. He comes to explain the laws of the universe. He comes to confirm that there is, in fact, life after